Welcome to Thomas Top 5, where we highlight our most popular recent stories. NASA wants humans to spend more time on the moon, performing scientific and commercial tasks, but that requires infrastructure. While highway and spaceport construction on the lunar surface presents its challenges, scientists think they have a solution, using lasers to melt lunar dust. Our recent video explains how lasers could be used to build roads on the moon. In other news, Lockheed Martin is set to revolutionize U.S. missile defense with its newly opened lab in Alabama. At the Missile System Integration Lab, Lockheed engineers will develop, test, and integrate a new system for intercepting long-range ballistic missiles. In the automotive sector, school buses are going electric. Green Power Motor Company recently unveiled the Mega Beast, an all-electric, zero-emission Type D school bus that provides 300 miles of range on a single charge. The bus, which can carry 90 passengers, is ideal for rural school districts with extended routes. Thursday was ChatGPT's one-year anniversary. Since its debut, the tool's rapid advancement has amplified discussion around artificial intelligence and how it should be both used and regulated. To highlight the seemingly endless possibilities of AI, we explored 8 practical applications that anyone can use at work right now, whether you're a business owner or a job seeker. Finally, while Black Friday and Cyber Monday are over, it's possible to keep sales up even after the holiday rush. We have 3 tips for retailers. For more industry and business news, head to thomasnet.com/insights. I'm Megan Conniff, and this is Thomas Top 5.